Sometimes it's hard to hear myself think. Too many voices in my head, they don't blink. They talk in riddles, yelling over my breath. All I wanted was silence, they gave me dread. Now they're screaming at me in stereo. Turn it up loud, here we go. Don't say I'm fine, don't say I'm strong. I trust these ghosts more than you, I've been wrong. Oh yes, I've been. It's all mental noise, like a TV left on in a room with no voice. It's all mental noise, static in my veins and it's killing my poise. All the words I never said, they echo. Should've been brave, should've let it go. Now I rewind, I can't put a tape. Cranking the guilt till my spine wanna break, it's late. And the only way I fall asleep is bottle to bed and my shame runs deep. It's all mental noise, like a TV left on in a room with no voice. It's all mental noise, static in my veins and it's killing my poise. Sometimes I whisper just to hear my voice, trying to cut through the static, make a little noise. But all I hear is that stereo scream. Turn it up, nah, burn the whole dream. Don't tell me I'm fine, don't say I'm okay. I got voices I believe more than anything you say. Mental noise, it don't fade. I'm trapped in a song that the silence play. Mental noise, and I press play, 'cause even chaos feels safer this way. It's all mental noise, like a TV left on in a room with no voice. It's all mental noise, static in my veins and it's killing